Hey, YouTube. I know there's my fan going over there. I'm in my room. I wanted to check out. I did try to clean up yesterday. There's my bed. There's Georgie. Uh-oh. I wanted to show you my new toy. See my new organizer. Part of the half is makeup and the rest is like crab, my washi, and the other embellishment. It's pretty good. The Spinky, like I said, is very nice. I like it. You guys should get one. I wanted to do this video because I do want to apologize if I made you uncomfortable or something, but I don't mean to. I just want to show you guys what I go through every day. And sometimes it doesn't come out right. But anyway, I do want to apologize for that. I will make another video explaining. Right now, I just wanted to show you guys my new toy. I shared this with you guys yesterday on my Instagram, but I wanted to show you guys over here. My new toy is assembled and everything. And then, like I said, I tried to clean up all my makeup that was in the drawer. Is in there now. Up there. And this table is clean now, except some little things. But I'm gonna figure it out. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll upload another video, a proper video. I just wanted to show you my new toy. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Deuces.